Hey, it's Tracy from Between CAD Classes, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to harness the power of the QNEW button in AutoCAD. Chances are you're already using the QNEW button, but are you using it to its potential? Let's take a look at what exactly it does here in AutoCAD. So currently, I have a blank drawing, and if I go up and select the QNEW button, right up here on my Quick Access toolbar, it is going to bring up my template dialog box, allowing me to go and choose a template. So let's say I wanted an architectural template. Now you can see I have a new drawing with all of my architectural layers in here. I'll do that one more time. I'll go to the QNew button, and then this time I'm going to choose my mechanical template. Well, let's say that there's one template that you use way more than all of the other ones. Let's take out the step of having to go and select the template. Let's assign the template we want to the QNew button. The way that you're going to do that is just simply right-click anywhere on your drawing window and go to Options, and then go to the Files tab. Look for Template Settings and expand that, and then find Default Template File Name for QNew. I'll go ahead and click the plus to expand that. I'll click where it says None, and then I will select Browse. Now I'm going to go and find that template that I use more than any of the others. Again, in this example, I'm going to use Architectural. Sometimes in my classroom, I just like to use the simple AutoCAD template so that all of my students start out with a blank drawing. But once again, for this example, I'll use my architectural and then click OK. Now you can see that when I select the QNew button, instead of getting the template dialog box, I now have a new blank drawing based upon that template with all of my architectural layers. Once again, I can click that button over and over again, and each time I get a brand new drawing based on that template. What if I want a mechanical drawing though? We can still get to those templates. We just simply go up to the application menu and select new here. Now I can choose a template. So if I need to get into a mechanical drawing, I can do so. So hopefully you can see how that can save you some time. If there's one template that you use more than all of the others, let's go ahead and set that in your QNew settings so that you can easily start it anytime you want. I hope you found that helpful. If so, please give this video a like, and if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd appreciate that too. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.